What up YouTube, it's your boy G, back with another video, and today we fixing to go wash the bins. Shane came and he fixed the assembly on this, so now I can drive it again. But the car's pretty dirty because it's just been sitting here. See, grass overgrown. So I kind of want to go spray it down real quick. So we got our quarters. We're fixing to turn this car on and get to it. Man, it's hot in here. Turn this on. Boom. All right. While this is cooling down, let me turn the AC on a little bit. Ooh. All right, while that's cooling down, let's go into the shop and get some supplies. I know I'm gonna need a rag. Those are brand new. I don't need a brand new one. That'll work. There's some interior cleaner. And that's it for now. Oh, some wheel cleaner. Yeah, we'll take that too. I got this one. That'll work pretty good too, but you need to agitate that. This is just a spray, so. All right, that'll work for now. This is all we really need. My new bike I just got. Boom. Yes, sir. And it's hot in here too. Y'all, I put a tint on the windows in the front. I just did it myself. So it's a lot more darker in here now. Good thing we got a little bit of shade over here. Boom. All right, crisis move. All right, now it feels good up in here. Nice and cold. Bad. All right, y'all. All right, we finna hit this road, but first we gotta go get some gas. See the lights on, so yeah, let's go do that real quick. All right, we just made it to the store. Let me run inside, put some gas on the pump, and get to it. All right, y'all. Y'all look how dirty my car is. It's dirty. Look how much I gotta pay for gas. Cause I gotta put Supreme. All right, y'all, we just made it to the car wash. I'm fixing to jump into the meta glasses. That way y'all can get a POV of me cleaning the car, and then we'll get back on the phone. So yeah, let's do that real quick. We finna jump to the glasses, so let's do that. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna start with this first. I think I'm gonna start with some of this wheel cleaner. Let that sit on there and break down some of that dust. I should probably hit it with their brush too, just to agitate it a little bit. For that brake caliper though, for the brake caliper, I'm gonna have to use that other product I got. Ooh, no, it's scratching my car up, bruh. I don't like that. I know I'm not doing the best job. I'm just agitating a little bit. Now I'm worried about this cord scratching my car up. This hose, I said cord. This hose. Ooh, see? I don't want it sliding on my car like that. Y'all, it's a pretty day outside, but it's also hot. Not care. Oh man, this engine bay don't even work. This bay don't even work. Golly, now we gotta move. Alright, so now we gotta go to a different bay. Let's try this one. Alright, fingers crossed. Let's see if this one works. Hopefully I didn't lose all my quarters. Nope. I guess I could go soap. Some soapy water. All right, I'm about to jump back onto the on the phone. So, boom. It's a lot much better. My poor car, she was so dirty. I didn't clean the inside, but it's all right. It's not too bad in the inside. But I figured I can clean the inside when I get home because I got all the stuff at home anyways. So, all right, let's hit this road. All right, y'all. So, got my boy DZ. Wanted to pick up DZ because we went 8 hearts. But y'all look at the car. Looking much better. Like I said, I still need to clean the inside. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow. But that is something that I definitely would like to do. Oh, I need to get this towel out because it's wet. I don't want it to get real humid in there. But yeah, I don't know. This might be the end of the video. So if so, I'm out. I'll get back to y'all tomorrow. But if I do pick up the camera and I start cleaning the inside, or if I do start cleaning the inside, I'll pick up the camera. So, but anyways, I'm out for now. I'm gonna get back with y'all later.